BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we can look for buy by having the entry above the top. As you can see, the price tag almost a few hours was there. You mentioned if within the first or second hours there is no continuation, we take out the trade. And no one should be in the trade, and even if anyone is in the trade, they should take out in the break even, because the way it's moving is really corrective. Mostly we can expect the price to drop, because we mentioned we want to see the continuation of at least the breakout of the 730. Anyway, the way it's moving is really corrective, and almost more than 6 hours the price was above this level. That means no one should be in the trade right now. Okay, and because we mentioned if within the 1 or 2 hours there is no breakout and the price cannot continue, we take out the trade. And if I move to daily chart, you want to see what we have. Still, we can looking at this one as a correction. That's why we want to see whether we can look for buy or not, because the way it's moving is really corrective and doesn't give us any trade setup, proper trade setup to look for buy. And right now we move to forward chart. As we can see, based on forward chart, the way is moving after we get this sharp move, the way is moving is really correct. Mostly when we see this kind of the move, we can expect the price to drop. That means we can expect this one turn to a deeper move. All right. Then we want to see how we can look for trade, because if you refer to 1 hour chart, we mentioned the way is reversing is really corrective. Then if we want to look for buy, let the price give us one more drop, because at that times we can refer to the indicators for the divergence. Then any trade setup for buy from there we can look for. And if it price drop, we expecting drop to somewhere between 360 and 594 within this zone. We don't want the price break 594. We want to see the reversal before the price break 594. Okay, then how we can look for sell? Right now we don't have any sell setup. If this one turn to a deeper move, maybe we can look for the flag to look for sell. Or if the probably if the price sharply drop from here, we can have entry out of this. It depends on the traders. Rather than that, we don't have any trade setup. If the prices start to drop as a corrective, we are not going to take the trade. Okay. Is there any possibility that the price can continue from here? Maybe this one is a sharp and flag. Still, there is a possibility, but how to look for trade? The only way is to put your entry above this, in case you get this sharp move and continuation, because we can expect the price continue as a sharp move flag. If there is a continuation similar to this is a short-term trade. It depends on the traders and there's, because we cannot add in our analysis. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. We can look for continuation as a corrective move, but it's a short-term trade. That means as the movement is very slow and is a corrective. Okay, but we are talking about the best option, because if we get any drop, then the reversal we want to see the continuation as a short move, not the corrective move, similar to what we get here. We get one move up with the breakout of the previous low, we start to correct. Maybe we get one move up from here, the price break the previous top, and start to correct. We are not looking for this type of the trade. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup and we want to see this one give us one more drop. Then from there we look for buy. If I see any changes or any update, I will share. Thanks.